I'm Stu, and here are 3 easy ways you can propagate a spider plant. Not only are these really popular houseplants incredibly easy to grow, they'll also give you lots and lots of spiderettes, or little babies on the end of runners. If you know how, you can propagate these and turn them into new plants. So here on the end of this runner, you can see a spiderette. And just underneath, see the white fleshy part? Well, that's the root plate. That's where new roots are going to form from. It's this part that we want to give a little bit of extra attention just to kickstart it, to make it make new plants. One way you can do this is by pushing down just on the end of the runner where the little plantlet is. Push it down into a pot of compost, sit back, don't let the compost dry out, and you will get roots forming. There's a couple of different ways you'll know that roots have started to form. One is when the plant starts to grow, or the other way is just give it a gentle tug, and if there's resistance, it means that its own roots are holding it in place. When you get to that stage, you can then cut the runner free from the mother plant. This does a couple of things. It'll give you a brand new plant in its own pot, and also it gives a little bit back to the mother plant because it's costing her energy to keep that plant growing. So cut the cord, you've got a new plant, and the mother plant can recover. Another way you can propagate spider plants from the runners is to just suspend the very bottom end of the plantlet where the root plate forms. Just suspend that into a pot of water, and it not long at all before its own roots will start to grow. Now then, speaking of water, if you use tap water that has fluoride in it, you will get brown bits starting to form on the leaves. The plant doesn't really like fluoride, so best thing to use is rainwater or distilled water. And just to show you how easy it is to propagate these plants, the third and final easy method is I'm going to damp some kitchen towel and literally sit the bottom end of the plantlets, that end where the roots form from, I'm just going to sit it on damp paper towel, and in about 1 to 2 weeks you'll start to see roots forming. It really is that easy. So we've kept the kitchen paper towel nice and damp, just splash of water every day, and after about a week you can already see the roots are starting to fatten up and swell and start to form. Such an easy plant to look after. It really is the plant that does not know when to stop giving. Now that you know how to propagate your own plants from a mother plant of a spider plant, good luck to you and enjoy. Thank you very much for watching, and enjoy your spider plants.